In this video, I build my new custom keyboard, the glorious GMMK Pro. You'll be seeing me build this keyboard and telling you all the parts in it. And I'll be playing some Bedwars at the end, so yeah, like, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So, the GMMK Pro is an ultra premium hot swappable bare bones keyboard with a 75% layout. It comes with a knob which you can program to do anything using the glorious core software. It uses goat stabilizers which are factory lubed and pre-clipped. There is also a nice side lighting panel which you can program to any color. It comes with two different colors, black slate and white ice, so I picked up the white one. In the box it came with a glorious sticker, the keyboard itself, a switch and keycap puller, a braided cable and some spare screws. Next, I moved on to the switches. For this build I used the glorious pandas, which are premium tactile switches, and you guys will get a sound test later. Each box came with 36 switches and it also came with a sticker, a business card and the switches. As I got the unlubed switches, I had to lube them myself, and yet again another glorious product, G-Lube. These were made to perform better with glorious pandas, so it made them a pretty good match. The lubing process was hard and took very long. For this I used Teha Type's tutorial on lubing switches, which I have left in the description. This process ended up taking 5 hours, but I guess it was worth it. And after hours of lubing and watching YouTube, I had finished the last switch. So now all I have to do is to put in the switches, which actually hurt my fingers quite a lot. As I'm recording this voiceover, my thumb is still red. And then for the keycaps, I used the GPBT Arctic white keycaps, which looks very clean. In the box there was a business card, the keycaps, and even a second keycap puller. The keycaps were packaged in trays, which made it pretty easy to sort them out. And then I put them in, which was pretty fun, but anyways, enjoyed the sound test. Alright guys, so we have the keyboard right here. It's all built and it sounds really nice, like, and it feels really good as well. I'm kind of rusty today, so don't roast me in the comments. This blue guy's rushing mid for some reason. That is very, very unusual. I don't think this guy knows how to play the games. I'll just... Oh my days, he actually made it. Oh no, bro, come here. Bro, come here. Come here. What? Oh my days, this guy. What is it? Who are you? You're like a clutch god. Stop. Oh my days. I did all of that just to kill that one guy. Alright, I should probably go back to base because I'm gonna be rushed. Oh my gosh, we had 10 M's. Alright, we're dipping. We can get diamond armor and all of the pots. This is... Who do you see having diamond armor at the start of the game? Oh, yellow is not in the game, so it's a free bed. Okay, my Hypixel level just went up. But we have way too much stuff. Right, let's get a bow, because why not? I'm just that toxic. Bro, I have diamond armor, my guy. Okay. Yes, so... Oh my days, we're so OP. It's literally not funny. Bro, he left. What? Alright, hang on. Let's do some... Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, 360. Oh, let's go. We're insane. We're just that good. We just made that guy rage quit. Oh my lord, let's go. GG's.